Welcome! In this video series, we'll walk through how ApertureDB workflows simplify end-to-end data operations for multimodal AI applications. In this demo, we showcase our ApertureDB Label Studio workflow. It allows you to label and annotate images straight from ApertureDB to create structured datasets for faster AI and ML pipelines. Let's get started. Once you've logged into your ApertureDB cloud account, make sure you have an instance set up. Up next, we will add a dataset ingestion workflow to add images for us to label. We choose Cocoa as the dataset to ingest. Then we wait until the workflow is complete. Now it's time to add the Label Studio workflow. Select Label Studio from the list of workflows and start it. Then wait until the Connect button has appeared under the Details portion of the Label Studio workflow. Press the Connect button, and your web browser will open Label Studio. From the Projects page, click on the default project, and then click on the Settings button in the top right. Once in Settings, click on Labeling Interface from the choices on the left. Select Browse Templates to choose how you want to label your data. We will choose Object Detection with bounding boxes. Finally, we review the settings created by the template and add some additional choices for labeling that are labels used in Cocoa. Then press Save to confirm. Next, select Cloud Storage from the left. Then we modify the already existing import storage and filter the images, limiting ID to be less than 1500 to select a subset of Cocoa images. We press Sync and our images are loaded. Click on Predictions on the left to verify the load is complete. Finally, we can look at images to label by choosing the project from the breadcrumb at the top. We will select an image. This image has multiple chairs. Moving on, we look at an image of a bear and change the annotation by dragging at the top right. After we are happy with the change, we save it. That's it. You've successfully labeled and annotated images using the ApertureDB Label Studio workflow, enhancing your multimodal dataset for AI and ML applications. Ready to try it yourself? Visit aperturedata.io or scan the QR code to get started.